Dear connections, today we will discuss about one more important scenario-based Power BI interview question. It is a very important scenario-based interview question as well as you will face this type of requirement from your client if you are working on migration project like Tableau to Power BI migration or ClickSense to Power BI migration. Um, if you are working with this kind of projects, you will definitely get this requirement from client. This requirement seems weird, but it can be done easily. So let's jump into our Power BI. So I imported a simple data set uh, like animal name in a oxygen consumption percentage effect in global warming. Three columns are there. Okay, so this is a fictional database. Don't take it personally, okay? So here it is there, and I took a matrix visual to visualize this Excel data. Okay, but now client came up with a weird kind of requirement. The requirement is like uh, this column is okay, this row is also okay, but client wants that this man should come at first, then cow, then peacock. Like let me paste in a notepad or let me open an Excel only to describe this. So basically client wants cow should not be at first. At first it should be man. At first it should be man, then cow, then peacock. Like this way the matrix visual should come. Okay, but from matrix visual, we all know that we cannot drag from here and there. So there is a trick. So for doing this trick, I need to go to Power Query. So I will click on transform data. Basically, this is the first step of this requirement. Okay. So yeah. So as you can see, all the three columns are there. Now what we need to do, we need to create a conditional column. For creating a conditional column, we will click on add column option. Then we will click on conditional column. So the condition is like if man will come at first. Okay. So column name will be animal equals operator, then value will be man. If man comes, then output will be 1. Then add clause. Same thing, animal name equals cow. Cow, then it will come as 2 or else 3. Then I will click on OK. So it will create a custom column. Let me give a meaningful name to it like rank. Now what we will do, we will do close and apply. So we did close and apply. Now we need to go to table view. This is basically the second step. Hmm. So in the second step, what we need to do is like, if I click on any column, any random column, this option will come, sort by column. So here I will sort based on ranking. I sorted based on ranking. So rank 1, 2 and 3, it is already sorted. Now let me save this. Let's save it into my desktop. It will take some time for saving. Okay, it is already saved. Now let's go to our report view. See, the change happened. The magic happened. The man came at first, then cow came, then peacock came. Just like our client's requirement. Man, cow and peacock. Man, cow and peacock. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel to get more this type of contents. Thank you.